Stephen Van Niekerk for BP Pro. BP Pro produces the finest environmentally friendly products designed specifically for your interlocking pavement. When you choose pavers, make sure that you get the right paver product for your project. Choose BP Pro and demand the best protection for your investment. Use the BP Pro Product Selector Guide to choose your look. Once you've decided on your solution, here is what you can expect as the product gets installed on your project. Preparation. Your contractor will clean the paver surface prior to the application of the joint stabilizing sealant. The goal of this process is to remove visible signs of staining, and BP Pro offers a general cleaner and an efflorescence remover to help you through this process. This means many newly installed projects can be sealed and stabilized without any aggressive cleaning. It is important to remember that some types of stains are difficult to clean and may be impossible to completely remove, but qualified professionals will ensure that you get the best results possible. After the surface has been cleaned, bag joint sand should be swept into the joints. It is important that the sand is dry so that you can fill the joints completely. The goal of this process is to ensure that the joint sand is below the chamfer and make sure that the joint sand height is correct. A leaf blower should be used to remove dust and fines from the paver surface prior to your final inspection. Joint stabilizing sealer installation. The installation of the joint stabilizing sealer can now begin. This will be carried out with a pump system or a pump-up garden sprayer. During this process, the joint sand will be saturated along with the paver surface. This process can be carried out efficiently as we can seal a few thousand square feet per hour. A squeegee is used to direct material into the joints and remove excess material from the paver surface. Once the application of the joint stabilizing sealer is complete, let the pavement dry for 2 to 3 hours before you walk on it and at least 24 hours before you drive on it. The initial curing of the joint stabilizing sealer will happen quickly, especially in good weather, but cooler temperatures and moisture will slow down this process. By sealing the paver surface, you will ensure that you get better results when you remove stains and you will protect your pavers. By bonding up the joint sand, you will get a tough elastic matrix that will reduce joint sand washouts and protect your pool, for example, so that sand does not damage your filter. When it comes to maintenance cleaning, we suggest that prevention is better than cure. Try to protect your project and limit staining. If staining does occur, clean it up as soon as you can. Do this by dabbing up the excess material that is causing the stain and then clean it with water and a brush. You can use BP Pro cleaners to aid you in this process, but it is vital that you clean it as soon as possible to get the best results. The whitish grey salty deposits that form naturally on all concrete and clay building materials is called efflorescence. When you come to cleaning efflorescence, timing is important, so clean it as soon as you can to get the best results. Use water and mechanical force from a stiff bristle brush or a pressure washer to loosen and remove it from the surface. If you let it sit on the surface for a period of time, the salt will react with the carbon dioxide in the air and change its chemistry to become insoluble in water. This means that you will need to use an acid-based cleaner like BP Pro Efflorescence Remover to clean it. When using these types of products, clean the specific area and follow the instructions and recommendations carefully. Remember that projects that have been protected with BP Pro joint stabilizing sealers will be easier to clean and maintain. For more information, call BP Pro.